Hey guys, this is Mark at Get It Done. I'm where I find YouTube videos and awesome products to help you get your projects done. What I'm going to demonstrate today is how to clean a cloudy headlight. So you've probably seen your headlights look absolutely disgusting. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you some products that I found at Sweet Project Cars. I love their video. Just a shout out to them for the awesome job they're doing. One of them is how to recondition one of those headlights. First is Mother's Mag and Aluminum Polish. So this product is mainly designed for wheels, and what the Sweet Project Cars guy is trying to show you is that you don't want to have specialty products, because if you find just one product for one job, you're spending more money than you really need to. Also, you're going to need some pads. So this pad, if you look at that, it's the 05723. That's what he recommends. Last thing is they recommend a DeWalt polisher. And when I looked at that, the retail price is $230. You can get it for less, maybe $175. But I'm not going to do this professionally, so I don't want to own this thing that I just socked a whole bunch of money into, and I hardly use it. Instead, I went to Harbor Freight, and I got this one. It's a variable speed, has the same size wheel on it, and the same arbor, so I could change out if I want a different pad, a little hook pad. But I'm going to try this out today, and I'm going to show you what it did for me. Here's the Honda, and it's raining a little bit. Not too bad. But I've got, here's the Mother's. Take the cream, and the idea is just take a little bit here, smear it all over the headlight, like so. And according to Sweet Project Cars, it doesn't matter if this gets on the body of the car. Take the rest, wipe it onto the pad. Got it cleaned up. On this has the power button here, and then this says the lowest speed is right there, is a 10. I'll put some more on there, just because my pad is brand new, and I'm thinking that this pad is not as conditioned as his that he's been using for a lot of years. I don't know how long. I also wonder about it getting wet. That's going to affect it, but just the same, I picked a heck of a time to do this, didn't I? Fire it up, there we go. I don't like that. It's burnt. That is smoking. That is so hot. I think there's some issues that our good friends at Sweet Project Cars has not talked about. You know, because I believe that I burnt my headlight, and that's something that they did not talk about. I mean, they made it look super, super easy. Well, I mean, it slightly looks better, but I don't see the kind of change I was hoping for. nor did it happen in 5 minutes. And I'm on my third application of this stuff. Trying to get this completely in the shape that he got his. Because this has not been easy. This has been a challenging thing. Just comes with experience. Stop my cord. Alright, I'm going to step back and stop the polishing for a moment. I'm going to just look at this and see what I think. Does it look better? Moderately? Yes. Does it look like I wanted to? No, definitely not. It does not look like I wanted to. The other one's cloudy too. I'm really disappointed with this right there. The fact that I could do that kind of damage to this lens and still have it look cloudy. I'll show you what I mean. If I come over here, hooked for a second, and you look at that new lens on this Hyundai, and then you look at the cloudy lens there, you can definitely see the difference, right? To the new. If you look here, well, you know, it looks better. Does it look better than this one? Yeah, I think it does. I think that one is my next attempt. Let's see if I can avoid the burn that I put on that other headlight. Again, buddy. Maybe you can see it. That one is absolutely pristine. It looks new. This one, sadly, I may have ruined it. I mean, it was bad. It was ruined already. You know, if I couldn't resurrect it, it was ruined anyway. Now, let's come over to this one. You don't have to tell me I'm good. I'm going to tell myself that is what I was looking for. Look at that. You saw it before. It was awful. That lens looks good. That's new. That one was replaced by the previous owner. This one, abysmal. That one, fantastic. I'd say 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Isn't there a song about that? Maybe something. Country. What do you think? You think the 6th time? Do you think a 6th time would make any difference whatsoever? I don't think so. No, I cannot admit defeat. I won't. Well, I admit it. Defeated. So this is the good one. Yeah, no, believe it or not, that's the good one. We're going to start with the good one first. There's spots that I don't seem to be able to get out. You know, I'm not there yet. It's getting better. Come over here to this side and show you the really bad one. And I'm going to try that one. So now that I'm awake after the late night party, I just thought I'd show you the headlights. That actually looks really good. This one is not as good. It was really cloudy, kind of damaged by all of the junk that was left on there for so long. But dude, it still looks amazing. So I give Sweet Project Cars idea a huge thumbs up. It looks better. Do you see the stupid spot? See, I'm going to cut. Yeah, there it is right there. It's like it's got whatever the heck that illness is, you know, in your eyes when all of a sudden they get cloudy. It has that problem. Well, one fail. Still better than it was. One screaming success right there, and another. Those are successes. What's the verdict, folks? You guys post in the comments and tell me, in your opinion, what's the verdict on Sweet Project Cars technique? The voice of experience coming at you right here. Don't be a donkey butt. You'll burn your headlight. Be gentle. You know, they say don't go gentle into that good night. Well, just go gentle on your headlights. Right? That one, well, buy a new one. It's going to look fantastic. But look at that. So sister is feeling happy now. Well, there you go, folks. You can get it done, but you're going to have to be careful. Because if you don't, you might just make a mistake that's going to cost you a little. This is Mark with Get It Done. I'll see you again sometime soon.